The Y-strap adjustment, in my opinion, is very dangerous. We don't perform that in our clinic. I would not let anybody adjust me like that. Performing traction on someone's neck is very safe. That's very slow, but when there is a jerk to pull someone's neck to try to get an adjustment, that can be very jarring and very dangerous because the vertebrae may not line back up properly after they're jerked. I've worked my whole life to get to where I am. I've worked my whole life to get my chiropractic license. I'm not gonna put that license in jeopardy because a patient saw a TikTok video or a YouTube video. We're not gonna do it.